Saka saka. Saka saka is a dish made with cassava leaves, cooked with onions, tomatoes, and chili peppers. It is often served with fufu or rice. Poulet à la môme. Poulet à la môme is a chicken dish cooked in a sauce made from môme, palm nut, pulp, onions, and spices. It is a popular dish in Congo and is often served with fufu or rice. Cooking techniques. Congo cuisine features a range of cooking techniques, many of which have been passed down through generations. Some of the most popular techniques include stewing. Stewing is a common cooking method for many traditional Congo dishes, such as môme and saka saka. Stewing allows the ingredients to blend together and create a flavorful and hearty dish. Boiling. Boiling is a common cooking method for cassava and plantains, which are often boiled until they are tender and then served as a side dish or used as a base for other dishes. Grilling. Grilling is a popular cooking method in Congo, especially for meats like chicken and beef. Grilled meats are often served with a side of rice or plantains. Frying. Frying is a common cooking method for snacks and appetizers in Congo. Plantains and other vegetables are often fried and served as a side dish or snack. Roasting. Roasting is a popular cooking method for meats like goat and beef, which are often roasted over an open flame or in a traditional oven. Regional cuisine. Congo cuisine varies by region, with each region featuring its own unique flavors and dishes. Here are some examples of regional cuisine in Congo. Kwilu Province cuisine. Kwilu Province is known for its use of local ingredients like yams and peanuts. One of the most popular dishes in Kwilu Province is kaka, a dish made with ground nuts and dried fish. Kasai Province cuisine. Kasai Province is known for its use of local ingredients like cassava and peanuts. One of the most popular dishes in Kasai Province is cassava leaf stew, which is made with cassava leaves, peanut butter, and smoked fish. Basse Congo Province cuisine. Basse Congo Province is known for its use of local seafood, such as shrimp and crab. One of the most popular dishes in Basse Congo Province is mabok, a dish made with smoked fish or meat, wrapped in banana leaves and steamed. Beverages. Congo cuisine features a range of refreshing and unique beverages, including palm wine. Palm wine is a traditional alcoholic beverage made from the sap of palm trees. It is a popular drink in Congo and other African countries. Ginger beer. Ginger beer is a non-alcoholic drink made with ginger, sugar, and water. It is a popular drink in Congo and other countries in the region. Coffee. Coffee is a popular beverage in Congo, especially in the eastern regions of the country. Congo is known for its high-quality coffee beans, which are exported to countries around the world. Conclusion. Congo cuisine is a unique and flavorful reflection of the country's cultural heritage, history, and geography. From the use of locally grown and sustainable ingredients to the traditional cooking techniques and communal approach to sharing meals,